how to change date of birth on TikTok. Firstly, what is the most important thing right here? You need to go on your profile selection on your account, and then you need to tap on the three dots on your right upper side and go settings and privacy on the last session. After you get there, what is the most important thing right here? As you go on manage account, for example, on the first session, as you can see here, you don't have any option for taking off or changing your date of birth. This is why you're gonna get off from here and scroll down, and you're gonna go report a problem on supporting system. Go report a problem. And after you do that selection, you need to go on the light section, which is on your right upper side. Just go tap on it. And then guys, you're gonna be available to tap again on your right upper side. Just go on it, and right now, right here, you need to tell the problem that needs, or the system that you need to fix it or try to change it on your account. Here you're gonna say that, please, I want to change the date of my birthday on TikTok, can be on that date, and then you're gonna simply go report, and you'll need to wait 24 hours to get a feedback from the supporting team of TikTok.